Taking all the panels, taking out the seats. It's really freaking dirty in here. Got some stuff from probably, I don't know if it says 1990, maybe. And this receipt says 2009. Cleaning off all the doors. Still gotta take that passenger side seat off. Take the carpet off. Might take the dash apart. I'm not sure. It's really freaking dirty. There's the seats. Door panels. Door trim. The rear quarter panel plastics. Center console. Gotta wash all that. Gotta take the windshield off. This is how you detail a car. Didn't do the dash. There's a little swimming pool down there. Got most of that dirt out. There's another pool back there. Doors are clean. I gotta wipe some dirt off still. Doors clean. Once the interior is clean, just gotta wipe everything down. It's clean. Clean. I disconnected the battery at first. Hopefully it starts again. Doesn't burn down. Tried everything out. This is how it looks. Doors cleaned up really good. Give the dash a little detail. Need to scrub it still. Floors, I need to still dry it out a little bit more. The floor is rusting over there. I need to get that fixed. With the rest of the interior, it's looking good. Ow. The heater helping dry everything. Dash looks good so far. Well, the door panels look good.